runway. Extra, cute, fun, glam, and fabulous. That's 5. Everyone knows that I'm like all about maximalism. I'm doing everything really extra and over the top. So I wanted to do like a 90s throwback collection. So very Clueless, 90s Chanel vibes, just really old classic, but fabulous. I have been buying clothes from Meshki for years and they just totally get my aesthetic. Like literally half my wardrobe is from them already anyways. It's just all really over the top and insta-hoey, which is, you know, my favorite word. So it's just perfect. Peacock. Because they're my favorite, you know, they're like so extra. They're just a bird, which I love birds. And then their butts are like, whew. Oh God, hands down YouTube. Instagram is fun. You guys know I love taking pictures, but like YouTube changed my whole life and I love it so much. It's so much more fun to like engage and get really creative. I feel like I already don't have nails because I always have to put acrylics on and I shaved half my eyebrows off anyway. I would die without those things. No nails. Oh God. I did the funniest stuff. Everyone had gaucho pants, didn't they, at one point? Those were so ugly. That was like 3rd grade. You're supposed to be ugly then. I don't know. Yeah, that was, I guess not really. I think fashion should be fun and you should always like follow trends if you want to. Sometimes you look back and they make for ugly photos, but it's like funny to laugh at them. What's a really romantic place? I don't know, I'd love to go anywhere with Harry Styles. Maybe we can go to London, he can show me around. I can't wink, but I just tried. It's not sexy at all. Okay, so this is gonna be a sappy answer, but you guys probably already know. My favorite quote is, what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? And seriously, doing this right now, like this has been a dream of mine for basically my whole life, and I cannot believe that this is real and it's happening. And my biggest piece of advice to anyone out there always is to never give up on your dreams, because even when you think there is no way that they're ever going to happen, you'd be surprised what God can do. So don't give up, kids. You got this.